Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Quickly, the first part of this video is blurry. I don't know why, I'm sorry. Secondly, I bought these soft gel tips from Modelones while I was sick. I got a really good deal on them in that group that I'm in Facebook. And so I snapped them up, and since I've not worn nails, that was the first kit I bought, those three things together, that's all that came in it. And this was the second kit I got, and it was not even that much more expensive. So I was really jazzed to see it on sale, and it comes with the same amount of tips. It's just not in this box. And I thought, since I've not worn nails in about 3 months, and I've not done nails in 4 months, let's hit the ground trying a brand new product that I've never used before. There you go. Brand new to me anyway. Brand new. So these are almond. The other ones are coffin. We're going to work with the almonds today. I have never worn soft gel tips, so I'm super excited to give them a try. And I like Modelones products, and they were a good price, so I thought I'd give it a shot. We get this little lamp, and I'm just going to go ahead and say I wish I had used that instead of the little clip thing, but I wanted to give this kit a try all in its entirety and not use anything from the other kit. So that's what I did. So I sized up the nails. I'm only going to show you the one because this is real fuzzy. It's not as bad as it could be, right? So that's why I decided to go ahead and put the video up, because I was really on the fence about that. And I do apologize for the fuzzy video. I don't know what happened there. This camera has really just been doing that a lot lately. And I think that, excuse me, I think that signals to me it's time to do something about that. So we'll see what I can come up with. There you go. So now I'm just going to prep, and I'm going to show you my thumb for the prep. I have that set to a 5, as I think I showed you in the video. And that's what I'm going to use for all of these, for all of the fingers, and for not just this sanding band situation. I'm also going to use 5 for the little football bit, the little flame bit that I'm going to use last. Now I'm just making sure that the cuticles are well pushed back, even though mostly they get pushed back with the little sanding band. I still like to push it back anyway and make sure I have all the space I can get for a nice, beautiful nail bed. And then I'm just going to come in and make sure that there is nothing, no little flecks of anything, little bits of dead skin or cuticle on my nail bed. And we're just going to clean that up real quick. And then once we're done with that, I'm going to clean up all my nails with my little toothbrush. I like to use my little toothbrush because the bristles are soft and it doesn't hurt my skin at all. And it's only ever been used on hands. It's never been used as an actual toothbrush. So I feel the need to specify that. So then we've got prep. That's always the first step after getting your nail bed cleaned up. Then you come in with the prime. My Prep and Primer by Mia Secret. And then my secret weapon, which is the third step that most people I don't think take, is I use a second prime, which is called Tack, and it's from Light Elegance. And I really think those three things together make my nails stick on real well. So it's my winning combination. I hardly ever get any lifting, and I never have nails pop off. So I'm happy with that combo. So I'm just putting that nail glue gel into the well. Those wells are already pre-filed and ready to go, so you don't have to do any of that. I'm sticking it directly on the nail and pressing down using the little clip, and then right into the lamp. If you get any spillage on the sides, you want to just take a little brush to clean that off. And next time when I really make sure the camera is not crazy, I'll show more than one nail. I just didn't want to force you guys to watch craziness. So all I did was lightly touch the edges with a file and then buff them down with that little block. A quick cleanup and we're ready for decorations. These were really fast to apply, and there was a couple of snags with the learning, but all in all, I think they came out pretty good. We'll see how long they last. I'm super excited to give these a try. Let me know if you've used them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to see you next time. Bye-bye.